Starting off with the rear, like I told y'all, my rear bumper is pushed in a little bit. Don't know how it happened. The T-top seals and all that stuff, y'all know he gonna fabricate all this. He already told me. He said he'll get it done, you know what I'm saying? So I don't have to worry about it. This is bad. Before we dropped the car off the first time, we didn't know the front was this bad, but y'all look and see, man, it's pretty bad. Should fire on up. You feel me? Yeah.
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I fell, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pocket not up. Rapping on finally making it rain while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog. I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all everything that's gotta get done to this Cutlass, you feel me, before we drop this car off in the morning. And yeah, man, tomorrow in the morning the car getting dropped back off to a new fabricator. We're gonna be getting all this stuff done: front and rear floor pans, T-top kit, weather stripping, and try to get that rear bumper pushed out, you feel me? So it'll be easier. Then when I get it back, y'all know we got a whole lot of stuff in my Charger to be installing on this car. The first step was just going to pick it back up, you feel me? And like I said, no bashing. I said this in the last video. No bashing to the previous shop this car was at, but my car was sitting for 6 months. It's a little too long for nothing to been done to it, you know what I'm saying? In my opinion. Some of y'all might be like, you should have been a little more patient, but I was really patient, you feel me? And that I was just ready to get my car back, you know? It's a lot of stuff I gotta do with this car, and it ain't like I'm trying to rush the build. It's more so I didn't want my car sitting and nothing being done to it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we're gonna be this video, I'm just gonna be showing y'all all the stuff that got to get done to this car. It's a lot worse than what I was expecting before the carpet was pulled up, you feel me? I wasn't expecting the front floor pans to be rusted, you know what I'm saying? But that's what happened when the car just sits, you feel me? So it's not gonna be like that no more. I'm gonna be getting that Harbor Freight carport tent for this, so it'll be somewhat more protected, you know what I'm saying, from the weather and all that stuff, because we don't have a garage at this house. We don't have a shed, we don't have no metal carport, none of that. So I'm gonna have to do what I can, you feel me? And I'm gonna get that Harbor Freight tent and we're gonna rock out with that. But like I said, man, this video I'm just gonna be showing y'all the car. I'm happy I got it back. I wish it was finished, but it is what it is, you feel me? It's gonna get done regardless. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, man, let me get out and we're gonna start in the back with the rear bumper, and then we're gonna move our way forward and inside. So catch y'all once I get out of the car. All right, y'all, so outside of the car now, like I said, I wanted to show y'all starting from the rear going up to the front, well, to the inside really. But y'all know we got a whole lot of parts to install on this car, so a lot of this stuff I'm not too worried about. For one, I still gotta repaint, I gotta rewrap my rear deck, get my exhaust redone, that front Euro clip, put my little T-top trim or soft top trim to go all the way around the back of the soft top and the middle. It's a lot. The door panels, the speakers, run my wiring for the subwoofers. Now I got my carpet out because after the fabrication get done to the Cutlass, I don't want the carpet back in, because like I said, I want to run my speaker wires and stuff through the car before I put the carpet in. I want to put the carpet in myself, you know? So starting off with the rear, like I told y'all, my rear bumper is pushed in a little bit. Don't know how it happened. My dad said that it happens to a lot of people, Cutlasses. So as y'all see, it's a pretty big gap there. So I'm gonna see if he got like one of them hydraulic pumps that can push it back when he air it up, you know what I'm saying? This side it ain't no gap, you know? It's touching plastic to bumper, you know? So this side, this the only side that got to be pushed back. So he's got to push it back some. Y'all know we getting new exhaust put on with new exhaust tips, and they're not gonna come out the back, they're gonna come out a little bit closer to that rear tire. And we got Flowmaster Super 10s to put on there. Shout out to, I forgot who sent me the video, but one of y'all has sent me a video of y'all Cutlass with Super 10s, and it sounds so good. And yeah, I can't wait to put that on here. I cannot wait to put it on this car. But moving up, like I said, y'all know we got the trim and all that. I'm gonna talk to him about this rust spot here. Maybe he can fix that. See what he say, you know what I'm saying? Try and get that little patched up. And I know it's probably just as bad under this soft top, because soft top, it like holds the moisture and stuff. So I know it's probably just as bad. But the T-top seals and all that stuff, y'all know he gonna fabricate all this. He already told me. He said he'll get it done, you know what I'm saying? So I don't have to worry about it. So yeah, man, it's not too bad once you get like up here, but on these edges it is like it's a hole here, hole here, hole here, hole there, you know what I'm saying? But once you start going in, it's not that bad. So yeah, man, we gonna get it all figured out, get it all done, get everything right. Move on to the passenger side, hole here, you feel me? It's pretty bad, but it's gonna all get fixed, you know what I'm saying? That's the whole point of rebuilding these cars, is to get everything done correctly, you know? So yeah, it's gonna all get fixed. And then moving on to the inside, show y'all my floor. Now this passenger seat not bolted down because I just went and picked the car up, and like I told you, I was taking apart. So yeah, man, this is bad. Before we dropped the car off the first time, we didn't know the front was this bad, but y'all look and see, man, it's pretty bad. And like I said, it's the whole point of rebuilding these cars. We're gonna get it all fixed and all done correctly, you know, get all the welds done, new seat brackets. I'm gonna see if he can fix these up, and maybe when I get the car back, I'm gonna pull the seat off these brackets and spray them down or sand them down, get all that wire wheeler down and all that, because I just bought some wire wheels not too long ago, and we're gonna get these sprayed, you feel me? These brackets sprayed. Yeah, man, this is the floor. This is the passenger side floor, front floor. So yeah, man, gotta get that done. Looks like my paint held up pretty good though. I might have to just go and redo it anyways though. I don't know, we'll figure it out once the car get back. And then the rear, this is the rear back passenger side. We already knew about this. Holes in the floor. I hope nothing crawl in it tonight. Even though the car leaving tomorrow, I just hope nothing crawl in it tonight, you know? Don't want nothing to crawl in. And this here is my rear floor pans, which will be getting installed once we drop the car off. And let's move on to the driver's side. I put them T-tops on too. And then I gotta cover the car back up with a tarp. The driver's side not that bad, you know, nowhere near like the passenger side. The only rust is right there. The only hole, I mean, is right there and there. No other holes in the driver's side. Yeah, no other holes in the driver's side. Oh, right here. I ain't see that one. So 1, 2, 3, and yeah, it's still rusty, so it need to be replaced. And this is the rear. These are all the screws and stuff that go to it. We already knew about the rear though, you know what I'm saying? We already knew about the rear. These wires, I'm gonna end up pulling these up because I don't think I'm gonna need them, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is the rear floor pan. And that's really it for rust, you know? But the new fabricator, he gonna go through the car. A little spot right there. Yeah, he gonna end up going through the car though for me, and if he see any more rust, he gonna handle it for me, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta get all this done. Yeah, like I said, I'm excited. I'm ready to get the car finished. And my camera overheating, so I will catch y'all in 1 second. All right, y'all, sorry about that. Like I told you, my camera was overheating, but yeah, man, I'm excited to get this car done. I'm excited to get everything fabricated, everything to get on it, everything get installed. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot we gotta do, but one thing I'm gonna do now is go ahead and take off these door panels. Like I told you, I gotta use these as like a template for my custom door panels. You feel me? So yeah, we finna go ahead and pull these off real quick while I got y'all right here. You feel me? Y'all watching me. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off real quick. Then I gotta put my T-tops back on right here. Gotta put them back on. Then I'm gonna fully cover up the car, and then I'm gonna call it a day for this car. You feel me? This car is gonna be sitting until tomorrow morning. Like I told you, tomorrow morning I'm gonna be dropping the car off. I hope y'all excited. I hope y'all ready, cause I'm ready. I'm ready to drop the car off. You feel me? So yeah, man, let's go ahead and pull this door panel off. I've already got the armrest off, so the only thing I gotta do now is pull off the actual door panel. So it's just 2 screws holding this on, and then the little clips. So also, guys, I don't know if I told y'all, but the new fabricator, he told me it should only take him about 20 hours to finish up this job. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, my bad. Knocked y'all down. But he said it should only take him about 20 hours to do all the fabricating and stuff. And that was just an estimate. Like I said, I'm not in a rush, but at least I just wanted to make sure the car was actually being worked on. If the car was being worked on at the previous shop, I wouldn't have went and picked it up. You feel me? But yeah, but as long as the car's been working on, I don't mind it being gone, you know? I just don't want it sitting and sitting and sitting. You feel me? So yeah, man, that's another plus. So regardless how long it take, I should get the car back in about a week maybe. You feel me? 2 weeks maybe. Regardless, man, we should be getting the car back fairly quick. So let me go ahead and finish taking off this door panel. Go ahead and finish this. Where I put my trim popper? Just losing stuff, man. I'm just losing stuff. I don't know where I set it at. It's whatever. I got more than trim things anyways. It's somewhere in this car. Where the freak did I sit my trim pumper, bro? I literally just had it. I literally just had it in my hand. It's not in my pocket. This is ridiculous, bro. How I lose it that quick? I literally just had it. I don't know. Got it. And I'm not gonna be throwing these door panels away. I'm gonna keep them just in case if I ever want to reuse them or ever need to. You know what I'm saying? Never know. I needed this trim pump so I can get this off a bit easier, a lot easier. But it is what it is. Come out. God, ouch. Snap, bro. Pull this off, pull these tabs off. And then I'm gonna put it, put it back on. This one, I gotta get my screw head, but like I said, I'm gonna pull this off, leave this off. This not gonna go nowhere because it's screwed down. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this bottom one off. That way I can go ahead and do what I need to do with it, you know? So yeah, man, we're gonna get that off. I gotta get the other side off. But like I told y'all, man, the floor pans, front, rear, passenger passenger and driver side. The T-top seal, or the T-top kit, the weather stripping for the doors, you feel me, that go here, go around the T-top. I think one go here too. And I'm gonna end up getting, y'all know I just put these on the box Chevy. I'm gonna end up getting some for this car as well, which should be 1,000 times easier because it's just 2 doors. So yeah, as soon as I shut off the camera, I'm gonna put it in my phone so I remind myself that's what I also need to get it for this car. So like I said, it should be 1,000 times easier because it's just 2 doors, and these windows go all the way down. So yeah, man, it should be fairly easy to install those. The window weather stripping, or window weather seal, weather kit, whatever it's called. Oh, here you go, right here. I be losing my mind, y'all. And then we gotta get the rear bumper done, and I gotta put that up. So yeah, man, I will catch y'all in a second for the outro once I get the other door panel off and stuff. So catch y'all in 1 second. All right, guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, wasn't nothing too crazy. Went ahead and got both door panels out. Now that way, all I have to do is cut out the other ones and paint them. That's it. Cut them out and paint them, and I can do that. Hopefully I can get that all done while the car's gone, you know what I'm saying? That way when I get back, all I gotta do is throw them in the car. But one thing I gotta figure out is how I'm gonna do the wiring for them speakers, if I'm gonna have to cut on this door panel. You feel me? Honestly, I don't know yet. I won't know until I start doing everything, you feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I got one T-top up, gotta put the other T-top window up, and then I'm gonna cover the car up and then call it a day. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I can give y'all a cold start real quick. Let me see where my key at. Give y'all a quick little cold start. Should fire on up. You feel me? And it ain't a quiet car, but it ain't loud like I want it to be. And this car, it moves a lot more than my box Chevy do, you know what I'm saying? And it's not too obnoxiously loud, but like I said, it also moves pretty smoothly, you know what I'm saying? It ain't super slow. And y'all know this motor is the original V8 motor. I don't plan on motor swapping until this motor go bad. You feel me? I like keeping this car at least under the hood, under original, you know what I'm saying? Under the hood, leave it original. So yeah, man, I'm excited to get this car going. I'm ready to get everything done, get everything built. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Turn my ringer off. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on the way you'll be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. The car is getting dropped off in the morning, so it's gonna be the last time we actually see it in person for maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? And then we could really get going during summertime with this car, you feel me? Doing as much as we can every single day, you know? Keep God first and God bless. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.